ProductMentor is a one-stop shop for inventors and entrepreneurs to take products and apps to market. Our team has decades of experience, having developed, launched, or merchandised over 1,000 products and apps. From big names like Tempur-Pedic and Jimmy Buffett's Margaritaville blender to Sonicare toothbrush and hundreds of other successful products. Our joint venture program allows you to work directly with our experts on every step of the product launch process, from design to sales. If we partner, we can reduce your startup costs up to 80%. We do this in exchange for 7 to 10% of the revenue and skin in the game on your part to help defray some of the hard costs. We're willing to take a calculated risk on the right person with the right project. Everything is always 100% confidential, and we provide a non-disclosure agreement up front. Are you aware that it takes over 60 steps to launch a product or app? That's why it's essential to have a team like us who has done it before. If you're open-minded and willing to invest in yourself, we might be a fit. If money is a challenge, we also work with financing companies that can support your launch. Don't let a lack of industry contacts or uncertainty about the next steps hold you back. You can change the world with the right strategic partner. Contact us today to see if you're fit for ProductMentor's joint venture program.